Hello everyone. This is the AI assistant demo. So the AI assistant is much like any other chatbot, except it's a little different. The difference being that it is in the IBridge site, and so it will be more tailored for IBridge resources. Now, in the introductory video, I've only gone through a little bit of what the feature can do. However, there's so many other things. So you can take out your academic work. For example, let's say you wanted to ask about how to write a literature essay. You can go to the chatbot and you can write how to write a literature essay. The AI chatbot will think about it and it will give you tips accordingly. So as you can see here it gives you tips. Understanding the question is very important. Planning your essay, such as your thesis, your body paragraphs. Evidence is important. And then of course writing the essay itself. And it gives you so many tips like that. If you and let's say we start a new chat. Let's say you wanted advice on what are some quick but easy meals I can eat when I have a lot of deadlines nearby. This fits my spelling a little bit. What are some quick but easy meals I can eat when I have a lot of deadlines nearby? Let's ask the AI for what it thinks. It doesn't have to be meals, it can be a lot of other things. So when deadlines are looming, quick and easy meals, yada yada yada, yada 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 yada. So not only does it offer academic help, but also offers help with student life and management. Another thing this AI can do is directly modify your to-do list. So let's go back to the dashboard. As you can see here, I've got my physics, IAHL, TOK prescription, and CAS up to all service. These are just sampler to-do list items. In the actual version, these will not be there. In fact, in the previous version, I haven't shown you this, but if all of your items are done, let's clear the list. It gives you a nice little message saying, yay, nothing to do, enjoy the while it lasts. So let's go back to the AI assistant. Let's say I want to get my TOK essay done by next week at 7 p.m. Can you add this to my to-do list? As you can see here, the AI chatbot is directly linked with the features of the IBridge website, or app in this case. So if I had to go back to the dashboard, look at that, TOK essay, and it's due next week. Perfect. Of course, it doesn't take the time because the time actually hasn't been added, but it's still a very neat feature nonetheless. Actually, in this version, there's no time feature at all, fortunately. But yes, it works very well. I assume you can also ask it to finish this task. So let's ask it to finish this. So can you finish the task? Uh, as in, can you clear it from the to-do list? Okay. So as you can see here, the AI chatbot does help with adding stuff to the to-do list, but it doesn't help with removing things from the to-do list. But honestly, this is fine. So let's say you're in mid conversation with an AI chatbot and you want to add something to your to-do list. Instead of having to go to the dashboard, you can directly put it to the AI chatbot and it will take care of it for you. Let's clear this chat for now. So this is more or less the features of the AI chatbot. Let's see what other things we can try to do. For example, let's ask it to generate a paragraph. Let's say generate TOK essay for me. And let's see what happens. I cannot generate an essay for you. That would be considered academic misconduct. As you can see here, the AI is programmed with considerations for academic misconduct. Now, obviously, there will be some common workarounds so you can get on this, and also you can just use other AI models like ChatGPT and all. But this is just a single step barrier. What this AI can do is help refine paragraph structure. So you can say, okay, can you give me tips on good paragraph structure? And if we ask the AI this, it'll think about it. And much like any other academic prompt you give it, it's going to give you a list of criteria for you to follow. And then, of course, pressing U chat will clear the chat. But if you don't clear the chat, you can go to anywhere in the dashboard. You can go to AI grading, and then you can make your way to resources. And by the time you're back to AI assistant, the chat is still there. This will also apply for when you close the application and come back to it later. Of course, clearing the chat will delete the history. This wraps up all the features offered by the AI assistant. The AI assistant not only offers academic help, it also offers students help, and also has an idea of what features are available in the IBridge Lite app. Thanks for watching.